In this video, I walk you through how to create Canva slides on ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, navigate to the menu bar and click on Apps and type Canva into the search bar. Make sure to connect Canva app into the ChatGPT. And then next, click on this plus button and hover over more. There is an Canva apps here. Then select and type in the prompt like, please create a presentation slide based on my blog post or whatever. I'll show you the presentation slide. I use this prompt. This is my LinkedIn post, and I ask ChatGPT to create a slide based on this information. So let me type in this prompt into ChatGPT. It takes time to generate outline. The Canva apps creates the outline first, like this, and you can check the detail of each item by clicking on this information. However, you can't edit any information at this stage. If you are okay with this information, just simply click on this Generate Design. You can also change the tone of this presentation slides and also change the length up to your preference. And you can also change the design of the presentation slide. I will show you how it looks. I didn't change the tone, the length, or design. I use the default settings. I didn't give any tweak on my presentation slide. This is how it looks. It looks pretty good. Yeah, that's it. It's really easy and quick way to create presentation slide. Please give it a try. Thank you for watching.